Hi, I'm Mandy Borsico, and I'll be the feature artist working with you in the month of February to do practice. Opus has put together a fantastic box that is specially designed for the month of February 2021, and it's called Practice, Practice, Practice. Now, this box has been specially put together for all the assignments and the word prompts that you'll get to do a drawing every single day in the month of February. 28 days of drawing practice with Opus. So let's unbox this and have a look and see what's inside. Okay, so here is our box. And it's called Practice, Practice, Practice. Yay, fantastic. Looks like they've given us a list of everything that's inside, so let's open this box. Okay, here we go. Oh, look. Nice tissue paper wrapping everything up. Let's see. Gentle with this. After all, these are art supplies. Some of them are quite breakable. And the first thing that we've got is Opus Essential Graphite Pencils. That's amazing. Everything from 8B down to 2H. This is a great resource, and it's in a nice nifty tin, so things will not get broken. And look at this, look at this. It's the Nitrum Starter Kit. This is an amazing product. I'm so glad they brought this out. This is brand new. And the Tombow pencil eraser. So there's the pencil eraser and also some refills. Great. Okay, let's move all this stuff aside so we have enough room for the other things. Gosh, this box is packed with stuff. What's in this bag? Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Well, there are some other pencils and some stumps and more stuff in here. Let's have a look. Aha! Okay, so we have 4 stumps, and that's great because we can dedicate one to each thing. That's for the graphite, that's for the charcoal, and then over here we have our other media. So we've got sanguine and sepia. And of course we've got our General's chalk pencil to draw on black paper. So let's dedicate one stump to each one of those. And we have our kneadable eraser General's, great. And here's a pencil sharpener with 2 holes, a big hole and a small hole. And the big hole will be for those fat pencils, the sanguine and the sepia, and the small holes will be for the graphite. Now it looks like there's an information sheet with all the practice homework assignments that you'll get every Monday. The first one is in graphite, that kitten, and then we've got the sanguine and the sepia, and then we've got the charcoal, and then we've got the reverse drawing on black. So that will be the white chalk on black paper, and that's me. Okay, so let's dedicate these different things. So the graphite and the sanguine and the charcoal and the reverse drawing. Let's have a look at the papers that match those. So the first sheet out here is a gray sheet of paper, and that is going to be for the charcoal drawing. So keep that aside for February 15th homework assignment. The black sheet of paper will be for the reverse drawing, which will be February 22nd. Now here are a couple sheets of Stonehenge fawn colored paper. It's a little bit creamy, and that will be for the sanguine and sepia assignment. And that is going to be February 8th. And look, here we've got a folder, Practice Makes Progress. I love this sticker, Practice Makes Progress, and the hashtag Opus Daily Practice. And there's 30 sheets of white paper. That is great. We can use that for any of the projects, but definitely for the little kitten. So we've got our Stonehenge for the sanguine and sepia assignment. We've got our grey paper for the charcoal assignment, and we've got our black paper for the reverse drawing assignment. Okay, let's put everything back into our box, and it is such a great box. You can keep lots of stuff inside it. I love it. Well, that's pretty amazing and fun stuff, isn't it? I can't wait to get going, and I'll see you inside the month of February.